Welcome back to our Factful with Shaz channel, where we explore the fascinating world of technology. In today's video, we're going to dive into the realm of artificial intelligence and share with you the top 10 facts about AI. We'll also provide examples of free AI tools that you can start using today. So, let's get started. Fact number 1: AI is everywhere. AI is everywhere around us. From voice assistants like Siri and Google Assistant to recommendation systems on social media platforms, AI has become an integral part of our daily lives. An example of a free AI tool is Google Colab. It provides a cloud-based environment where you can write and execute AI code using popular frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. Fact number 2: machine learning powers AI. Machine learning is the driving force behind AI. Machine learning algorithms enable AI systems to learn from data and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. Scikit-learn is a popular and free machine learning library in Python. It provides a wide range of algorithms and tools for tasks like classification, regression, and clustering. Fact number 3: natural language processing. Natural language processing, NLP, is a branch of AI that focuses on enabling computers to understand and interact with human language. Natural Language Toolkit, NLTK. NLTK is a free Python library for NLP tasks. It offers various tools and resources for tasks like tokenization, stemming, part-of-speech tagging, and sentiment analysis. Fact number 4: computer vision. Computer vision is an area of AI that deals with enabling computers to see and understand visual information from images or videos. OpenCV. OpenCV is a popular free and open-source computer vision library. It provides a wide range of functions and algorithms for tasks like image processing, object detection, and facial recognition. Fact number 5: AI in data analysis. AI plays a crucial role in data analysis. It can handle large datasets, discover patterns, and derive insights to make informed decisions. Pandas. Pandas is a free and powerful data manipulation and analysis library in Python. It offers tools for data cleaning, filtering, aggregation, and visualization, making it a valuable tool for AI-driven data analysis. Fact number 6: AI-powered chatbots. AI-powered chatbots are becoming increasingly popular. These virtual assistants can interact with users, answer questions, and provide customer support. Chatterbot. Chatterbot is a free Python library for building chatbots. It uses machine learning algorithms to generate responses based on predefined conversational patterns. Fact number 7: AI in automation. AI is transforming automation by enabling machines and systems to perform tasks autonomously with human-like intelligence. Automation Anywhere. Automation Anywhere offers a free community edition platform that combines AI and robotic process automation, RPA, for automating repetitive tasks and business processes. Fact number 8: AI in image recognition. AI has made significant advancements in image recognition. It can accurately identify and classify objects or scenes in images. Google Cloud Vision API. The Google Cloud Vision API provides a free tier that allows developers to integrate powerful image recognition capabilities into their applications, including label detection, face detection, and optical character recognition. Fact number 9: AI-generated content. AI is being used to generate content autonomously. It can create music, artwork, and even write articles or stories. JukeDeck. JukeDeck is a free AI-powered music composition tool. It uses machine learning algorithms to generate unique and royalty-free music tracks based on user preferences. Fact number 10: AI for personalization. AI enables personalized experiences. It can analyze user data and preferences to deliver tailored recommendations and customized content. TikTok Recommendation System. The TikTok Recommendation System, powered by AI, suggests personalized videos based on user interactions and preferences. It's a prime example of how AI is used for content personalization. And there you have it. The top 10 facts about artificial intelligence and examples of free AI tools you can start using today. AI is transforming various fields, and these tools empower individuals to explore and leverage the power of AI. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.